Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today what we're going to do, we're going to change our oil on this VWCC. It's a 2012. It's going to be the same for once the VW look like this on the inside. It's going to be the same. This is the 2.0 turbo engine we have right here. So we're going to go ahead and change oil, and we're going to reset the oil life as well, our service, whichever it's on the dash when we go there. So we're gonna put the camera down here and drive up on the ramp. So we have it on the ramp. We're gonna go underneath the car. It should be 19 millimeter to take the drain plug loose, which is right here. 19 millimeter. Get it sit right here. And we want to go counterclockwise to take this off, guys. I don't know why this one feels so tight, but it's coming. Alright, feels like my hand can do it. I guess not. See if my hand can do it now. And then we're just gonna let the oil drain. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. So I already did the oil once in this. I don't know. The car burn oil, and so I don't really see any leaks, so it's got to be burning oil. And also it I have to keep on adding oil to it because it burns so much, but the oil is still really black. So I guess it's just a direct injection engine. So while that is draining, we're going to come up here and just take this off, just like this. This is our oil filter. Also, we can take this so the oil drain out easier. But this is our oil filter we're taking out. Can unhook it from right here so we can lift that up. Also, lift that up a little bit so we can just like that get more room to work. These are older cars, guys, so the less stuff you try to wiggle and work around is better for you, because you don't want to break anything. Alright, so this is our old oil filter. We're gonna go ahead and get our new filter. So we have our new oil filter right here. So I'm gonna get some lube from the oil just to lube the o-ring or the rubber right here on the oil filter. So I'm gonna lube that up just so it can spin. I see oil on it down there. I'm gonna wipe it off and then lube this one up. So guys, one time for the thumbnail, put some, won't put that in it. One time for the thumbnail, just like this. Put some writing over this side and then we're good. So back to the video. We're gonna get some oil from here. So we just put our finger in it a little bit. That should be enough. Alright, so that's what we're working for. Now we just gotta put our oil filter back on. You can see it right there. And tighten it down. So once, how you tighten this, you turn it until it reach contact with the surface, and once it reach contact, you try to make 3/4 of a turn to a full turn, and that will take care and that will tighten the oil filter to specs. All right, so 3/4 of a turn. Once you meet contact, doesn't meet contact yet. All right, there we go. We meet contact, so now we need to do a 3/4 of a turn to a full turn. So guys, once we put this back, we put this back in the clamps. We're gonna clamp this back right here. Now we're gonna get a funnel. We're gonna wipe off this right here, make sure no contamination go in there, and so lift this up. So that's good. We're gonna wipe this piece off, and then we're gonna go and tighten back our drain plug. So guys, now it's time to add your drain plug. You can inspect your washer, make sure your washer is good. Mine is good, so I'm gonna reuse it. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it up. So I don't know if the person that did the oil change before me messed the threading up, or if this is a wrong size bolt, but it always get tight before it get all the way in. So we just need to tighten that up. I don't need to bore you with this part. So guys, we have our funnel inside there. We get our oil. The oil it take is 5040. Not 5040, 5W40 I should say. So I don't really need the funnel, but better not to make a mess, you know. So you can do it without a funnel if your ends are really straight. So I'm gonna put 4 quart first before I test anything. So this is a 5 quart, and I'm gonna put so I'm gonna leave 1 quart in the bottle, and that should be 4. And then I'm gonna test the oil, make sure the oil is good at the correct level. So it's right at the lever, guys. It's right at the lever. It's right here. So I'm gonna add some. I'm gonna start the car, let the oil filter get filled up, and then check the oil again. Let it sit for like 2-3 minutes, then check it again. So now is the point. At this point you want to make sure you have no leak underneath the car or anything like that, and start the engine. So yeah guys, start the engine, and then you can see that no oil light is on, so we're good. And that should full the oil filter should be full by now, because it doesn't take long, it just take a few seconds. So what I'm gonna do is get off the ramp, the car in reverse. Alright, now we're off the ramp. So we need to get on a flat surface to check the oil. So make sure you're doing it on a flat surface. So guys, we're gonna turn this off. It's now time for us to reset the oil light. So actually, this is what we're going to use to reset the service now and get the light off. Alright, so these are the buttons we're going to use. So what we're going to do, we're going to use this to navigate throughout the system. So I'm going to press to the right. Once you go to setting, we're going to press down. This is down. I'm going to press down to service. Once we go to service, we're going to go to, we can click info. You can see it tell you it's supposed to be in service 300 miles ago or 8 days. Okay, we press OK, and then we're going to press down and go to reset. We're going to press we're going to ask you that question, then you can go ahead and press OK, and just like that, that's how you reset your service for the Volkswagen CC. And that's it, guys. We gonna you can go ahead and check it. I don't have to show you that I check it. I'm gonna go ahead and check it after the video, but you already get the concept of let the car sit for like 3 minutes. Once it sits so all the oil can drain down, then you can go ahead and retest the oil to make sure it's at the correct level. If it need more, you go ahead and add more. If you don't need any more, then you just then you're good to go. All right, peace out. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time.